go. This is going to now be the second innings, and there you've seen it on screen. Rashid Khan, he's going to be facing Mills, and this is ball number 1. Oh, a little bit of swing. Quite a bit of intelligence in this game too. You can't just think you can go out there and slog it, hey?
Definitely. I think when I started off, I thought I'm just going to hit it straight. As I realized there were different bowlers, I had to change my game. And you know, there's a lot of thinking involved. And as I said, the smarter guy in the park is going to win the tournament. It's just not about skill. You have to be really sharp because you don't have, you know, too many teammates around to help you out. So you're just on your own, basically. And that is a no ball.
You like that? Yuvraj likes that. That's a no ball. Look at Rashid. He's asking for it. If it is a no ball, ladies and gentlemen, just remember, it's a free hit. Let's watch the umpire here. It's a no ball. It is a no ball, and it is a free hit. You can see a guy that didn't fancy the short ball shouting. Yuvi, how animated were you when you saw that?
Because this was the biggest opportunity for us to hit the bullseye, but probably next year.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a 3, a misfield there on the ring, and the ball just...
Yeah, I'm sure you enjoyed those over the years.
I got a 1 over the pie chucker. Ladies and gentlemen, if you missed it, you want to go back and you want to see it.
Oh, man.
What a great career. Yuvraj Singh. What is this? We're starting to see the MS Dhoni. The helicopter shot. He's gone twice. The ball before he went helicopter. He's gone helicopter again there. He's gone again. Yeah, you played it a lot, didn't you? When the ball just doesn't, it's not in the slot, it's just a little bit fuller, you use your wrists?
Yeah, definitely. I think when the bowler gets predictable, you know he's going to bowl Yorkers. And you really have to use your bottom hand a lot. And initially, you don't use your bottom hand because you want to get the bat free flowing. Another boundary from Rashid. I think the score is gone more than 30.
Yeah, it's up to 38 now. Do you think that's a match-winning score? You can't get that in the second innings, surely.
I definitely think that's a match-winning score. And Rashid, I feel, should be smart now not to get out.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is the last ball. This is Rashid's last ball of batting in UKC 2020. He's going to pick up a single. Is he going to go for a 2? No, he's no. He's going to settle with a lead of 39. Andre Russell is going to need 40. 40 to win the UKC. Is the big man up to it? We have a look at his batting, 25 and 35. He's improved. He's got a lot better. Couple of 4s there. We haven't seen any 6s in this game so far. Are we going to see Dre Russ turn up with a 6th-a-thon? And Andre Russell trails by 39, which means he needs 40 to win this game. Oh, Rashid Khan, he's gone with Stephen Finn. Good move, Yuvi?
Yes, maybe for the first few balls. I think by the time he's just getting set to hit, and probably Rashid want to come in and bowl a few and, you know, rattle him. So I think this is a good plan. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think it's a bad plan.
And probably wait for the full ball and hit it straight, just
There's
like that.
the full ball. Oh. Rashid Khan, he went for it. He drops it. He's going to pick up 4. He wanted it, Yuvi. Huh? He didn't get a hand on it.
I mean, hit his wrist, so it is a drop catch.
Oh, run out, run out, run out. Oh, you forget about that. You forget about the fact you got to finish the single. Russell runs and almost gets run out.
Kimi, what do you think if you hit a 6, you still have to run?
Off he goes. He's going to pick up 3 there. He's got to complete the run. He goes again. He's making him run. This is what the UKC is all about. It's not about just 6s and 4s. It's about getting the runs. Really? So you'd be thinking now 6s and 4s? No, he goes down the ground to Finn. Finn gets him. That's the problem with going down the ground. The problem is you could lose your wicket. And now he needs 32. And look what it means to Rashid. He's happy. Finn takes the catch. It's a wicket, baby.
Probably saying the ball's not bouncing enough.
No, well, the ball's bouncing absolutely fine. Brilliant from Rashid, man. This is convincing. It really is. There's only a couple of deliveries to go, and I think that Andre Russell has now just decided, well, it's only 12s that can help me, but 12s can't actually help him now unless there's a wide.
I just feel that he's just not good with his bowling. He's very good with his batting as well. If he puts his mind to batting, he can actually bat. And obviously he's a really fit guy, runs really well, very good fielder. So he's just an asset to any team. If you look at the way he was playing IPL as well.
To the game, I think that he's really enjoyed the batting. Look at this, he goes again. Rashid Khan, look at him celebrate, look at him. There is your champion. UV, he's the boss of UKC.
Definitely he is. Many congratulations to him.
Great competitiveness, and you can see it on Rashid Khan. You can see the disappointment for Andre Russell. Yeah, spectacular. Have a look at this. Rashid Khan, 25. Andre Russell, 21. Rashid Khan, 35. Andre Russell could only get 15. And ladies and gentlemen, Rashid Khan wins by 24, and he is your champion.